40K cavitation. Duration, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, continuous. Apply gel to the treatment area. Use the handle to push from the armpit to the palm. Move the handle in small circular motions across the entire arm. Apply additional treatment to the area with adipose accumulation. Push from the palm to the armpit using the handle.